Hello, my name is Bill Davenport and I run Anchored Market Ventures where we run local farmers markets, and today we're doing tips and tricks and it's value-added products. So when you're at the market and you're a vendor, a lot of times we say, hey, we're going to sell one thing. As a boutique item, you might only sell shirts, but you need to add value to your booth, and one way you can do that is through accessories. You can do bow ties or headbands if you're a boutique. If you're a fresh produce vendor, you can look at the end of the market when you have produce that doesn't sell, you can go to a commercial kitchen, can that produce, and then you can get set up and sell canned produce along with your fresh produce. If you're a bee farmer, when you do your fresh honey, you can put honeycomb in some of your honey, so you can sell fresh honeycomb honey instead of just your traditional wildflower and tupelo. So there's a lot of different ways that you can do value added. Another thing for value added is not necessarily selling a product, it's giving out information. So you can teach people, or you can direct them on how to use a product better, or how to maybe add value to what they're buying. So instructional aids, value teaching, all that is value added as a vendor. So when you're at a market, don't get sucked into a singular item. Look at how you can expand, how you can add value to your main objective at the market, and it'll make you overall better at the market, it'll make you more productive, and it'll make you more money as you sell at the market. So thanks for watching our video. If you find value in this, please give us a subscribe and a like. All that helps us out. Leave us a comment. We can't wait to see you at the next market.